So we are going to continue the summary from where we left in the last video. So we are covering the summary of the 5 a.m. Club book by Robin Sharma. So continue from that. It helps unlock creativity and focus. Creativity. The book emphasizes that creativity peaks in the morning. Early rising allows time to pursue creative project. Courage. The 5 a.m. club promotes courage in facing challenges. Stepping outside comfort zones leads to growth. Self discipline. Self discipline is a cornerstone of success. Mastering your mornings builds self discipline, positive energy. The right habits create positive energy throughout the day. Exercise and mindfulness boosts energy levels. Personal freedom. Freedom comes from mastering your day. Control over your time leads to control over your life. Financial success. Financial success is a byproduct of discipline and focus. Waking early gives time to work on financial goals, health and wellness. Health is wealth. Exercise and rest are key to a successful life. The victory hour promotes physical, mental, and emotional health. Positive morning rituals. Rituals anchors you for the day. Make positive ritual a non-negotiable part of your morning. Long-term vision. The book encourages planning with long-term visions. Break down big goals into daily actionable steps. Stress management. Mindfulness practices help reduce stress. Meditation and reflection enhances emotional balance. Heroism. The 5 a.m. club fosters a heroic mindset. Pursue excellence in all areas of life. Accountability. Be accountable for what your actions and results. Then track your progress and adjust your course as needed. Transformation. Early rising leads to a transformative change in life. Consistent practice of morning routines brings remarkable growth. Joy. A well structured morning routine brings joy and fulfillment. Embrace gratitude and mindfulness to stay grounded. Legacy building. Use your morning hours to work on building a lasting legacy. Focus on contributing to society and leaving a positive impact. Conclusion. The 5 a.m. club is about mastering morning for success. Waking up early is the gateway to greatness and personal freedom. So, here's the summary, and now we will cover some more aspects. This summary covers the most important aspects of Robin Sharma's 5 a.m. club, touching on productivity, personal growth, leadership, and success. Here are some additional important aspects of the 5 a.m. club that were not covered in the earlier summary. So, uh, here are some more points. History of early rising. Historical context. So, Robin Sharma highlights that many successful people throughout history, such as Leonardo da Vinci, Benjamin Franklin, and Albert Einstein, used the early morning hours to focus on deep creative work. The 1991 rule. So, rule for focus. For the next 90 days, spend the first 90 minutes of your workday on your most important project. This creates a momentum and focuses your energy on critical tasks that generate long term value. The 60-10 method. So 1990 we will we have understand 1991 rule. So 90 days for 90 minutes and one greatest target, the 60-10 method. So it is very important rule. So there are some other name of this method also, like uh, okay, so we stick to the book. Work and rest. Work with intense focus for 60 minutes, then take a 10-minute break to refresh. This balances productivity with recovery, helping maintaining high levels of energy throughout the day. The twin cycles of elite performance, performance and rest. Sharma stresses the importance of alternating between high performances cycles and recovery cycles. The idea is that just as professional athletes have rest periods, so should peak performers in any fields. So, please ignore the background noise. The habit installation protocol, three phases of habit formation. So first is destruction, first 22 days, breaking down old habits and facing discomfort. Then installation, next 22 days, the hardest phase where you build new habits. Then last, integration, final 22 days. So here the new habits become automatic. So this is the 66-day rules, which is very important, and in which we can form a habit to change our schedule. Then the 5 year club model, four pillars. So these four pillars are the very important or among the very important aspects of the book. So the model focuses on, first is capitalization IQ, maximizing your potential, freedom from distraction, staying focused and in a world full of distraction. Then personal mastery practice, constantly improving through learning and practice. Day stacking, making each day better than the last to generate cumulative success. Joy as a strategy. Positive learning. Sharma emphasizes that joy isn't just a reward but also a strategy for success. He encourages finding joy in daily life and personal development, making the journey fulfilling and sustainable. Focus on your circle of genius, your unique strengths. Focus on your unique talents and passions, which Sharma calls your circle of genius. By concentrating on what you do best, you can achieve exceptional result and create lasting value. Time management and life balance. So, interior empires. Balanced growth requires investing time in mindset, mental growth, and knowledge, heart set, emotional well being, which we cover in the previous video or previous summary as well. Health set, physical health and vitality, soul set, spiritual connection and purpose. So, these are the four aspects or four interior empires. Then brain optimization, peak brain performance. Sharma discusses the importance of nurturing your brain through proper sleep, healthy food, and challenging mental activities, maintaining high cognitive function. So, personal transformation, character over circumstances. The book argues that real success stems from inner transformation. Focusing on developing a strong character is more important than external achievements. Four focuses of history makers. Focus on what's essential. Sarma outlines four key areas for achieving greatness: capitalizing on time, maximizing the value of your time, then single minded focus, devoting attention to one goal or project at a time, concentration on mastery, aiming for excellence, not just mediocrity. Then last, focus support, people support. Surround yourself with people who encourage and uplift you. Embracing failure as a teacher. Sharma encourages seeing failure as feedback. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, refine your method, and grow stronger. Minimalism. Simplify for success. The book emphasizes simplifying your life, removing distractions, and focusing only on the activities and goals that are truly meaningful. The hero's journey. Personal heroism. Sharma parallels the journey of the 5 AM club members with the classic hero's journey, where characters face challenges, grow, and eventually achieve transformation. The value of silence. quiet mornings. Sharma encourages starting the day in silence to reflect and connect with your inner self, promoting calmness and enhancing focus for the day ahead. Longevity and health. Wellness practices. The book includes tips for living a long, healthy life, emphasizing exercise, clean eating, and regular medical checkups as part of the victory hour routine. Emotional intelligence. Managing emotions. Emotional control is vital for success. Practicing emotional intelligence allows individuals to navigate life's challenges with grace and poise. Giving back, contribution to society. True success, Sharma argues, is not about accumulating wealth but about contributing to the greater good and improving the life of others. Then, last but not least, daily courage, overcoming fear. The book stresses that fear is one of the biggest obstacles to success. Waking up at 5 a.m. is symbolic of the courage needed to face daily challenges head on. These aspects adds depth to the book's course message, expanding on habit, mindset, time management, personal development, and emotional well-being. Together, they help create a comprehensive strategy for living a balanced, productive, and fulfilling life. So, in two videos or within 20 to 25 minutes, we cover the summary of the 5 a.m. book club. Because of the rush, I I have not managed the fluency, but please manage. So that's all from my side for this video, and for this book summaries we will meet with the another video and another topic. Have a good day. Bye.